So questions like this, where it gives you a graph and it asks you to talk about the degree and the leading coefficient, is just, do you know if the tails are supposed to point the same way or the opposite way? All right, and then what does it look like if it's positive or negative? And really, if you know what it looks like if it's positive, you should be able to understand if it's negative or not. So I remember this by, if they're even, the tails point the same way. If they're odd, they point opposite ways. This tail is pointing up, this tail is pointing down, so it has to be odd. All right. Now, again, things that I remember to do this, I remember that odds always look like this if it's positive. That's the normal odd. This one's backwards, so that means that it has to be a negative coefficient because it doesn't look like the standard way that I remember it. So for each of these, I remember what a positive odd looks like and what a positive even looks like. And then I don't have to remember the negative part because it's the opposite. So if I know what positive odd looks like, I can understand what negative odd looks like, and the same thing for the even also. So that's how I look at these. If you want to memorize all of them, you can. Do I know if it's a three, a five, a seven? I'm not sure. All right. I think that this is probably a five because it does a kind of a zigzag thing in the middle, one zigzag, but I don't even know that for sure. That would just be my best